What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage and happy Avengers weekend. Today we are opening up 7 of the Avengers comic covers vehicles and also a Captain America monster truck. There is actually one more Hot Wheels car in the Avengers comic covers series, and it's the chase car horseplay based on the evil villain Thanos. Even though there are 8 cars in this set, they only list the main 7 on the back because the chase car is supposed to be a little harder to find. I was unlucky and did not find horseplay with Thanos on the card art, so we're gonna open up the 7 main vehicles from this set to take a closer look at them. Number 1 out of 7 from the Avengers comic covers series is the car Bedlam based on the superhero Thor. The second mightiest hero on Earth is Hawkeye, and his vehicle is the Purple Passion. Our third Hot Wheels car is called the Quambi, and it belongs to the Black Panther. Avenger number 4 is Iron Man, and his super cool car is the Golden Night Shifter. Hero number 5 is the famous Captain America on his red, white, and blue pony up. Number 6 is the big boy. It's the purple Hot Wheels Jaded featuring the green Incredible Hulk. And the last Avengers comic covers car is the Black Widow's vehicle, Riveted. So there we have the 7 superheroes from the latest Hot Wheels Avengers series. I'm still looking for that chase car Thanos, but now let's open up the Monster Jam Captain America truck. The Captain America Monster Jam truck is the first full-size Monster Jam in my collection, and it looks so good next to the tiny Avengers. Let me know in the comments below which superhero is your favorite Avenger, and also have you seen the new movie? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.